So in this video, you'll learn how to move the quick settings panel from right to left or from left to right on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So moving this quick settings panel can be incredibly useful, especially if your dominant hand is probably your left hand and you want to be able to just swipe down easily whenever you want to access quick settings, and vice versa. Or if you just want to have the convenience of having quick settings on the left or slash right and notifications on the left slash right. So in order for you to switch the quick settings panel from left to right, you have to start by accessing it. So swipe down from the top left or right corner of the screen and then tap on this edit icon. From here, tap on panel settings and then you should see quick panel on left side. Tap on the toggle like that to turn it on. And once it's been turned on, tap on the back button, select done to save and apply the changes. Once you've done that, you can automatically see the quick settings panel has shifted focus from right to left. So now if I wanted to move this panel back to the right hand side, then I just need to tap on edit, panel settings, tap on the toggle next to quick panel on left side, and then select done, and then the quick settings panel will move back to the right hand side. So it's completely up to you to decide which alignment you'd prefer to use on your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.